Layo. Is it good?
Yeah, it is great.
Hindi na mo ikausap ko.
Nakakalak ako.
Matapon yan! Huwag mo nang tatakpan! Sige mo. Akin ba na?
Yung muli ang kukunan.
What? Sorry.
Subas na.
This is the best night ever.
It is. Wait. Last night is the best. Okay. Because we have fries.
Yeah. Bro, what?
She's just
Kaya
excited.
sa inyo, Argan, ang layo, no? 1 hour? Ilang oras?
1 hour walk.
1 hour pa para lang sa Chicken Joy.
Kailangan kapag doon marami nang bibilhin mo para worth it yung maghihintay.
Kaya nga.
The gravy is so yummy.
May extra gravy dyan. Ay, wala ba? Ay, kinancel ko pala. Sige, kain na yan.
Finally! I want some water! Oh, is this yours?
Hey, ganyan ka. Ganyan, hindi ka nakikita sa picture. Ang nakikita yung picture ni
Hindi ko pwede yung mga day makita ni Papa.
Tylen.
Kaya, hindi ko pwede yung mga day baka makita ni Papa. Hi guys! Napagalitan ako.
Pagagalitan.
Oo nga.
Wala po. Hindi ko lang.
Pagalitan.
Ba't ka pala pinapagalitan?
Bawal ako sa fast food, babe. May UTI ako.
Eh, kahit hindi mo yung mamay, di makikita niya din sa akin.
Ay, di ba po kayo first ano sa Facebook?
You know,
Kayo po.
si mama mo,
Si Papa po.
ay, hindi.
Nung last time, nung napunta ako sa hospital, grabe yung galit ni Papa sa akin. Paano?
Paano?
Halos ang umano na lang sa dugo ko, ano puro siya.
Grabe ka naman kumain, May.
Ano pa siya? Lasag.
So delicious. The best day ever.
Oh, I'm getting skinny.
What is skinny?
Payat.
Oh. Kami ni Mimi tumataba. Kaya pag ganito, mapag ganito.
Ano daw yun?
Ano ka ba yun?
Ano ba gusto mo?
Same.
Buti na talaga yung kainin ni Nasa. Burger na.
Ah,
Buti na talaga yung burger ni Uwan.
kung spaghetti.
Kaya pala malakas siya kumain eh. That sound is kind of annoying. Bakit bawal ka ba sa fast food? At yan. May UTI ka na. Ba't ka
Sinagot niya yung tanong niya.
Ha?
Sinagot niya yung tanong niya. Dapat talaga dito kay Mimi, tanong mo, sagot niya.
Yung balat. Gusto ko yung balat.
Ayun, gambalat ka na lang.
Yes.
Favorite ko rin ang balat eh.
Alam ko yung balat lang.
Sa amin, pag kumakain kami sa Jollibee ni Papa, yung balat niya binibigay niya sa akin.
Bakit bawal din siya ba?
Hindi, may lagyan ako sa balat. Balat ang favorite ko. Pag prito. Pero kapag ibang luto, ayoko yung balat. Uubusin ko to lahat. Para mabusog lang sa aking tiyan.
Ay,
Nakakahiya siya, guys.
Ako daw. Tapos pag ako sumasabi ng nakakahiya po siya, guys. Ayaw na. Very not demure. Kaso lang, guys. That's not ladylike. That's not ladylike.
May wag mo ubusin kay ano yan.
Ay,
Hindi kayo kumuha nun sa inyo tapos eh.
Kami yung kumuha nun. Whatever, I'm just gonna use my hand. Can I have some? Sure. I like gravy. I like the gravy. This gravy is my favorite. That's kind of fishy. Huh? The second is Kuya Lawrence.
my favorite.
Have you ever tasted Kuya Lawrence's gravy? Yeah. He makes the best gravy.
Is it sweet?
No, it's sour.
You know I hate sour. I only like sweet.
Of course, it's not sour sweet. It's bitter.
Are you
Hot
done?
bitter.
Are you done? Yes.
Too fast to eat.
You drink water.
Hey, hey, Jared, iniwan mo dito.
Diyan na lang, sama-sama kay mamaya. May plastic dyan, di ba? Lagay mo sa plastic.
Just by sitting, yeah? For 10 minutes. Right.
This is so
Oh, no.
delicious. So delicious.
We actually ate some of the chicken.
Mm.
This. I don't even like to eat the whole chicken because of those like gray or like those parts that are like have dots. You know I hate those. I only like the first. I don't like those.
Mm.
Okay, I'll feel this again.
Delicious.
You guys,
Finger licking.
did you guys like it?
Jollibee on top.
Definitely
Like
Jollibee
this.
on top.
Mm.
Jollibee is on top.
So Jollibee,
And
know.
it's so delicious.
you can, you know,
And
like,
fill my tummy.
you can sponsor. Joe, ano ba naman? Ako lang to. Hindi. Sino ba naman ako na isang, maliit na YouTuber lang? Para Yummy. Yummy. You're eating. My favorite. Di ka ba tapos dyan? That's so rude. Yeah. So rude. Sino? Mukbang. Okay. Oh yeah, just like mukbang. May kasi si pa.
See tomorrow and I go crazy. Yes,
Did you just call me Aryan without the ate?
No.
I heard it.
I
You call me Aryan. Where is the respect?
don't know, Ate Ariane.
Yeah, good. That's what you call me. From now
Ate
on. Yes, thank you very much.
Ariane. Ariane.
Very disrespectful. I'm done.
Uy, ang haba na nun ng video mo. At yun
11 minutes lang naman yun. Yung isa nga, umabot ng 1 oras yung video ko. Delicious. No one saw that, right? No one saw that.
I saw that.
No one just saw that.
I saw it.
Pretend you don't saw that.
No, I'm not. I saw it then.
Nakatabi pa daw pa nun.
Okay. It looks like I'm making one thing.
I like to bite the ice. Ices. And that is so crunchy. The ice is more crunchy. Hear this, hear this. Oh yeah. Honestly, I only want the ice. Would you like the coke one? I cannot do that.
Can anyone do a sit down
Sorry.
if they're done eating?
Cold! It's not. A bit cold. Hindi na mag-uugas ng pinggan sa ate Aryan. Sir, let's clean up everything. Hey, again. What? You are. Okay. This is not water. I want water. Pretend I didn't saw that. Yeah, all of you guys pretend you didn't saw that. And we're solved. After this, ever heard of
Tapos linisin natin yung mga ano.
have you heard of AMNSE? Yeah, I like to read that.
Pabugas yan.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, there's nothing. Hey! Ninong! Ang ganda ko po. Opo, pinaka-lagi yung sinasabi ni Ate Ayan ay maganda. Siya ang pinakamaganda. Siguro nung umulan ng kakyutan, sinalo ko lahat. No?
Ito yung plastic ko.
Sorry, tapon na to. Uy, hindi kasama yung mga ano. Ito. Hindi. Ay, ito. Kasali yung... Nandiyan yung tinidor.
Uy, nandiyan yung tinidor.
Asan na yung mga utensils na hugasan natin bukas? Gagamitin mo pa ba ito?
Ipinalian mo gabi na.
Ayaw ko nitong chicken.
Akin na.
Oo. Siyempre,
Kakagat po ako na.
after you eat, you gotta clean up. Because, of course. Then who else would clean up? Ito? Yeah. The mess can't clean up themselves, you know.
Yeah.
They are the mess. They can't clean up for themselves. They need someone to clean up for them. Oh my god. I mean, they need someone to clean them up. Huh?
Wednesday.
And Ninang! Bukas na lang to, Ninang. Can you put this over there? Diyan. No. Lagay mo dyan. Diyan mismo sa loob.
Wow. Doesn't have any more food.
What?
That still has water.
They ruin my bed. Look. Sorry.
Bye guys.
Nice night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
And guys, remember, always be pretty, always be confident, and
And
always
be
eat.
affordable.
Because you know, eating is good for you, even though it's not allowed. Even though you're not allowed to eat fast foods like me. I'm doing it
But why are you not allowed to eat fast food?
because I have beauty eyes. It's an illness.
What kind of illness?
If you eat, soft drinks like I do,
Bawal na yan.
going to get, you're going to get infections in your urinary blood. Your urinary vessels. Like that. I don't know what that means, but yeah, like that. So guys, always remember, be beautiful, be confident, be yourself, always eat, and remember to be careful all the time. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!